Want to know how to delete your account in Kimi AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, what you can do is you can just simply open up your kimi.com website. So this is usually possible on your website, so you can just simply open it up on your phone or your PC. So make sure you are logged in on your website as well in order to do this. So once you've done that, on the bottom left side, you should be seeing your account right here. Just simply select that. And now once entering the account, here you should be seeing settings right here on the bottom. Just simply select settings. So once you have selected settings, here you should be seeing your name right here. Just simply select that. And now once you've selected your name, here under your third party login, you should be seeing delete account. So you can just simply select that. So what you can type in is you can just simply type in account confirm account deletion. You can just simply know that this is undoable. So you can just simply write confirm delete and your account will be deleted. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.